Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government student loans in 2025, the only official way. First, ensure you have an FSA ID ready. This unique identifier is crucial for accessing federal student aid sites and legally signing your application. Creating your FSA ID typically takes about 10-15 minutes, but verification can take up to 3 days. Make sure to complete this step early, giving yourself ample time before the FAFSA opens. It's your key to unlocking federal financial assistance. Once your FSA ID is active, you're ready to tackle the FAFSA. The 2025-2026 application is set to open in December 2024, so mark your calendars. You'll complete everything directly on studentaid.gov, as paper forms are no longer an option. This streamlined online process helps ensure accuracy and quicker processing times for everyone. Simply log in with your FSA ID and navigate to the application section to begin filling out your personal and financial details securely. Before you start filling out the FAFSA, gather all necessary documents to ensure a smooth process. You'll need your Social Security number, driver's license number, and your federal income tax returns. If you have any savings or investments, have those statements on hand as well. For dependent students, your parents will need to provide their tax information and financial records. Having everything organized beforehand can significantly speed up the application process and prevent errors. After entering all your details, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire FAFSA form. Double-checking for any errors or omissions is crucial, as mistakes can significantly delay your financial aid processing. Once you're confident everything is correct, use your FSA ID to electronically sign and submit the application. You will then receive a confirmation email, which includes your estimated expected family contribution, an important figure for understanding your aid eligibility. Once your FAFSA is submitted, your designated colleges will receive your information and begin crafting their financial aid offers. It's important to carefully review these offers, comparing costs and aid packages from each institution to choose the best fit for you. Once you accept an offer, federal student loan funds are generally sent directly to your school to cover tuition, fees, and other charges. Any remaining balance is then provided to you for living expenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.